Fuck. I'm sorry. I was muted. I'm closing right here. 39 pips. I'm closing right here. 39 pips. Just close right here. Fuck. I'm sorry I was muted. I said I'm opening right here, and then I'm opening a pineapple right here. That was win number 100. Fuck. Damn, I completely, I don't know why I'm muted. I clicked on it, and I clicked on this. Fuck. That's not gonna be good for content. Wow. Alright, we're going to have another trade here right now in a minute. Hold on. The 30's closing. Just got 39 pips. Congratulations. 100 wins in a row. Fuck. I was trying to make this for content. Damn. There's going to be no sound on my 100th win. There's going to be no, I'm entering here, nothing like that. There's just going to be mute, and then like I'm closing here. Wow, that sucks. All right, lock in here. We might have more positions here. Damn. Silence is key. I hopped on stream. My sound's not working. Right? Wait. Do I hear noise? Do I hear sound? Yeah, my sound wasn't working for some reason. So I restarted my PC. And my sound was still not working. So I shut down my PC. Updated the drivers. Turned it on. And I was on mute. Yeah, I see this top wick. That fucking flipped too quick. I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell. There should be room to come down if it comes back up. I mean, I'll take another sell up here, but I would expect this to come down. Closing full right there, 22 pips. W. W, W, W. Just closed full for 22 pips. Incredible. Win number 101 in a row. We've been here for 5 minutes. Is Zoom not working? I'm sorry. I haven't had the chance. I had to restart the stream, and because I restarted the stream, the Zoom's off, and I saw positions setting up. I can't wait to start the stream if I see positions setting up. I had to start here. I'm starting the Zoom. We'll have more entries. All right. Hold on. Zoom should be back up. If you guys start coming in, I'll open the door for you. Okay, hold on. Participants. Yeah. Come on in. For those of you that know how I trade, I think you guys were pretty aware of the first trade and what was going to be happening before the closure of the candle. But if I was muted and you didn't hear me, which I was muted, I was not muted for this top wick here. Yeah, we should have had an entry up here, but it happened too quick. We still got what we needed. All right. W. So. $39 and $20.
Good morning, Wix. How are you?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Congratulations on the 101st straight win. I know that most people did not get it because they weren't in the signals. So please, gang, take advantage. Get into the signals.
Oh, the signal channel saw me take it. That's right, because when I took it, even if I was muted, the signal channel gets it. W. But the second one, everyone should have had. The second one, top wick here, is clearly not muted. Said I'm getting in here. Damn. I wanted to get the 100th on stream and have a wild reaction to it. Instead, it was like I was muted, and the reaction was like, oh, fuck. Am I still muted in the Zoom? I don't know how all my settings reset. I don't know how everything reset here. My volume settings, my input settings, everything reset.
Sounds working in Zoom.
Yeah, now it works. Appreciate that. Appreciate the feedback. All right, let's. Early bird's been getting the worm the last few days, huh? Chat, we won 101 straight trades. Remember when we were at 66 and Wix, and someone said, hey, Wix, you gonna be at 100 soon? And I was just like, I'm just trying to win number 67. You just keep winning the next one, right? All focus on the next one, and you'll fucking smash your goals as a byproduct of what you're doing, as a side effect. Half the people dip when previous stream cut off. Yep. Oh well. I didn't cut off. I hopped on stream and I said I gotta restart because I'm getting no sound. I want to drop. See, this is how I trade on my own. There's like nothing drawn. There's no lines. There's no levels. There's no like white line. Like Asian session, this is what it looks like for me. There's absolutely nothing on. I just look at it. But since we're on stream here, let's draw up some levels for you guys. That was like a few days ago too. Didn't take long at all. No, it was like beginning of last month or like middle of January. It was almost a month ago. They're coming back slowly. Well, they've missed 61 pips. Yeah, like if you know what levels you're looking for, a lot of times, just when you're trading on your own, not trying to show anything, yeah, you're just not going to draw the levels. Ooh, 5 minutes. There we go. That makes sense. Yeah, I think we need to be at 82 by the hourly close. I think we're going to be down here by the hourly closure, but we're going to need these candles to set up again, pull back again. It's actually not bad as price is pulling back here on the hourly to that previous wick. This is a high quality opportunity here for sells. That's already moved 10 pips. That's crazy. Really? This is already 10 pips? Yeah. Huh. How many trades already? Yeah, we just had 2 trades in a span of 8 minutes. You like Pearl Jam? No, I like Strawberry Jam better. And Mango Jam. Mango Jam is really good. Just ask Caviar. I'm not taking this now, right? We've pulled up. We've tapped this area. In the initial tap right here from previous wick on the hourly. With this momentum, look at this hourly candle. It's really good entry, but as it came down for 10 pips and pulled right back up to that area, I expect a steeper bottom wick to be left here. And I think we are going to have, as long as we can hold here or pull back up a bit in the next 20 minutes, we will have top wick sells on the hourly. Actually, if it even breaks down and comes down, re-breaks the lows, as long as it leaves a bottom wick, we'll have top wick sells on the next hourly candle. Just wondering, why is it holding here? What's it holding for? I don't really see a level here. There's nothing much in the way, but we did just get a closure. We have another news at 10. Amazing. Another as in we already had news, huh? Yeah, we did.
Quick check the Zoom door.
Oh, gotcha. Thank you. Is it coming back down? Yeah, it is. Top wick, there's no top wick here on this 5. You want this 5 to be like this. Hold on. You want the 5 to look like this 5 looked before, right? You had a bullish closure here. Then you got the top wick, and then you can look for positions. This previous close bullish. This one's opened up with a bottom wick. Highly likely we flip and probably come back up to these highs at 89 areas. 28.89, 28.90. Highly likely. Interesting. So we don't want to trade between 90 and 88. We do not want to be in positions in this area at all. Above it or below it, fine. In this little 90 to 88 area, a little arbitrary. Do you still trade gold? This is gold. What do you think of today's push to Asian London? I haven't even got a chance to think about it. Nice push. Pretty. Lovely. Cute. Oh, look at that. Now it's created that top wick. But we already had a bottom wick made, so I gotta wait. Why not in that area? That's gonna be decision-making area. If once it gets back up there, it's gonna have to decide whether it's gonna have a range 2 breakout and come up, or if it's gonna reject and come back down to fill the lows. Looking like it's coming back down. There's a lot of time here in the hourly, 17 minutes. This is a good sell too, but I think off the hourly, off the next hour, once we have a range created with this candle, once we pull back, I think we'll have a much easier time trading the hourly. But wow. Wow. Yo, all right. I mean, this is when we start mapping out ourselves. Okay, the 15 pulled back, closed respecting. This will be interesting. This 15 is key. As long as it doesn't close doji or where we're at right now. I want this to pull back up heavy or drive down heavy. Either or. Don't want to close here. You took that sell? High quality position. It's the hourly closure is going to be a little more high quality, but yeah, this is, if we didn't have two positions already, I'd probably look for that one. Not get much sleep, about 2 hours. Hey Wix, is it possible to trade GC on top one? Not yet. But I had a meeting with them yesterday, and very soon that will be the case. You took that too? Nice job. Be a zombie? Yeah, I feel like a zombie right now. What they say about the 5-minute rule, they made no decision, but it was the first time it got discussed as something serious. As like, it's really gotta happen. I think we'll have an answer within a week. This is what do we have here? We have 160 pip 1 hour candle. Yeah, we're gonna retest the lows. After we pull back up, we're gonna retest these lows. Majority of the owners there are non-scalpers. It's hard to convince non-scalpers to scalp. But I don't care. I don't think they care about the way they trade. They care about risk management. Yeah, there's one medicine I know in this world that works when you're groggy. One thing that I've ever heard of that can help a person when they're groggy in the morning. Her name is Mary. Right, because there's like only one reason for you to be groggy. Oh, maybe two if you went to a Diddy party. Then you're groggy in the morning. Then you're sitting there like, my head hurts, but why is my ass sore? Yeah, you either traded London session or you went to a Diddy party. Yeah, I don't know. I have a feeling he's gonna get Epsteined. Yeah. Asian session is a must. We traded long. Yeah. Me trade you long time. Long time. Nice rejection off our initial area here, but we've made a bottom wick first here and came up. 8 minutes here. 8 minutes for the 1 hour closure. Wow, that sound issue really messed me up this morning. Just threw me off my groove. Wow, nice, Eddie. Nice trading. All right, you know what we haven't done? While we wait for our closure, let's get some motivation in here. This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people. Uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going. The belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset. My choices. My willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit. Because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it, chat. Let's get it. Let's get these sells on this next hourly candle in 3 minutes. And everything gonna be alright. No one get in the way of how I'm feeling. You need some visuals? Yeah, that'd be a good idea. That'd be a good idea. Yeah, visuals would be great. I mean, what would the visuals be? Wix 9 riding on a bicycle, riding around his desk. Just just me and my Huffy riding around my desk, grind on the mouse, do a little flip off the stream deck. I don't know. I don't know. Benny on the back seat. That would be sick, actually. Yeah, like a little X Games on my desk right here. Was he scared at the vet? No, but as soon as he saw the vet herself, yeah, he fucking. I've never seen him do that. He jumped on their table, jumped off of it, ran around. Was, it was, it was. Wow, I thought he was excited at first, and then I realized, nah, he remembers her poking him with a needle. That's what it was. I thought he was excited to see. I was like, oh, look how excited he is to see you. And then he looks at me like, motherfucker, I know what you said. No. Yeah. They had to take his temperature, and they do it rectally, right? They put a thermometer in his ass. And the thing is, the only way to do that, you got to distract him. So she gave him a spoonful of peanut butter. So I was holding the spoon, and it was mad funny. I'm holding the spoon, and all of a sudden she puts the thermometer in his ass, and he's like, mm? Yo, his facial expression was so funny. Because see, he didn't stop licking the spoon. He continued eating. He was just like, maybe he associated that with the peanut butter, and he was like, is that what happens when I eat peanut butter? So funny. Because he went like, hmm. And then she goes like, oh, he's all right. He has no fever. I was like, he just violated my dog. Yo, I want another one. I want a refund. Yeah, they broke my dog. Cares, dog. All right, we got a closure here, gang. We're looking for sells off this candle. As long as we do not come down and start filling the wick, we will be looking for sells here. We have a leg candle on the 15th to close out. Close out the candle here, right? No, my only debate here is when we come up, will it be 84.8 or 85.8? Or will we even get a top wick? I think as long as we don't fill the entire wick here, we're good. Well, the majority of the wick. I want to see up to where. It was a heavy pullback right here on the 15 for, that was what, 60 pips for it to just come down without grabbing top wicks. I don't know. I think we're going to get a top wick. If we don't, it's just a little bit more waiting involved. Yeah, my dog's sitting in the corner right now. Fucking emotional damage. Bro, go get some rest and keep your butt cheeks tight, bro. I warned you. I warned you about her. I told you she was a freak. Yo, if you're his vet and you're watching this right now, it's just jokes. Don't cancel my appointment, please. Please don't cancel my appointment. Is she cute? Nah, but she knows her way around a thermometer, that's for sure. If you into that. She raised you up, Benny. You get 3 rizzes. I wish Wix9 do things a bit simple. I do all that. Said no one ever. I see everything, but not the signals. If you're in the signal channel, you should be seeing the signals unless... Can somebody... Anybody walk him through? To... But did you sign up and... Did you connect your Discord with our Discord? As long as you did all that, you should be fine. I'm not too happy we made a bottom wick here, but we are coming up. So let's see. How did spot close? Yeah, this looks good on spot. You just need a steeper top wick. Previous resistance, previous supports. I mean, that might have been it, but I think I want the steeper area here because of the bottom wick already made. I'd want that entry somewhere up here. Let's see what happens here. I'm also a bit skeptical because we're not just coming up here, right? We're not coming up here for orders. We're technically, we could be coming up as a drive because we bounced off a support. But the chances of this 4-hour flipping right now and closing bullish. Oh, we got a whole hour. Yeah. Okay, what I will say is this. If we get up here, I'll take a sell. With this, the fact that we made a bottom wick, we got really close. Yeah, if we get up there, I'll take a sell. I think it's going to be the 87 area. 28, 87. It'll be the higher area up here. Looks as though sell still valid. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Well, I'm not sure if you're having issues with getting into Discord or getting into the signal channel itself. So reach out to somebody to us in the Discord, so we know who you are in there, and then we can connect you. Coming up, coming up. If we can re-break the high, we'll look for some shorts. Oof, nice. Come on up. Chat, I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell. Just right off this line. I'm gonna close full right there, 23 pips. W. That's that. Let's move on. Let's see what we have going on here. I think we have a 15 closure coming up here in 7 minutes. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait on that 15. All right. That's the most casual win ever. Most casual win ever. What do you mean you had no time? We're technically still in profits if you didn't close it, or if you didn't have a chance to enter, you could have kind of entered here. This was a sniper entry. It went straight down. As soon as I clicked the button, it just ran down here. Is that a hundo? No, that's 102. It should still come down for a bottom wick, but I just closed. Hey, chat. I spoke about coming up here and taking entries. I said 87, but I think 85 was good too. There's a reason these lines are here. Oh, I have a correction and synchronization from the broker. So that trade paid me 20 pips on the dot, not 28. Yeah, Jay, we can correct that. It was 20 pips. Because after the trade, I got a thing that's called correction, and then it says synchronization, and then they took away roughly 8 pips worth of profit. Yeah, and on futures, it happens once in a while. There's a, like, they'll correct. I don't know what it does. It says correction, synchronization. That's win number 102. That was 20 pips flat. No, once in a while, like when I close out and price is moving heavily at that time, it's like, I guess it corrects to where the actual close was. No, I wouldn't be looking for this area now. Or would I? No, I wouldn't be. I would be looking for this area up here. 49 minutes. All right, we have news at 10 on the dot. And think about it. If this comes up, the next hourly is going to need a bottom wick. It's going to need a bottom wick to grab orders. And if you're up here, if you're coming up above 85, 86, 87 areas, the earliest support it could tap would be 85.6, right? So in case you're wrong now, because we've already had entries off this area, right? Let's get rid of that. But in case you're wrong now and you take a sell and it continues up, then if at the very least this is the support that it's going to grab, right? Because if we start pushing up here, right, as we just said, if we're wrong and this continues up and it does this, the support that you're not guaranteed but highly likely to get would be this one, right? It might push down even lower to this, but at the very least this. So how could you put yourself in a position to succeed? You take entries over here or over here, because next candle, well, this one should come down, but if it doesn't, and we close bullish and we maintain bullish structure on the next candle, as in lower highs, higher highs, higher lows, you're gonna have to drive off a level, and this will be the earliest, the soonest level you can drive off of. So you will get a chance to manage risk in between these two candles, which is about 16 pips. Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, so that's how you should approach that. Personally, hold on, let's add that to the record first of all. Correction for 8 pips. Yeah, I've had corrections for like 16 pips. It's like, it's pretty wild. First time I saw that, I was like, wait a minute. But then we smacked it. We made it was like a 80 pip trade or a 90 pip trade. So I was like, all right, take your 20%. $422. It's the number of entries I had. The number of entries I had that combined for that pip total. They kind of hurt when you see them after a loss. Yeah, that'd be wild. That's like, you know, rubbing salt on a wound. Like, why? I got close here. Didn't exactly tap our line, but look at that. You could have scalped that area, right, as it's happening. And then as it comes up here, you could probably scalp from here. Do the same thing. Let it pull back, right? It'll bounce off because the market, it doesn't move in straight lines, right? In order for it to reject and come back up the other way and become bullish, it's going to create some waves, right? It's going to create a range. It's going to bounce up, down, grab orders. So... So was a 4 pip move for 6 positions? No, because they're taken in different spots in the market as part of my risk management technique. On the first position, if you guys noticed, or whoever was in the signal channel, they noticed, my first entry over here for 39 pips was only 1 position. My pineapple was 3 positions. Because when we took our first entry, it was either going to run heavy and 1 position would have been enough profits, or it was going to pull back much higher than our first entry in order to, you know, if it was going to pull it back much higher, then we just had, you know, we take advantage of it with an extra pineapple entry. I was in buys, caught 20 pips, then closed. Then I took your sell position, caught 22 pips. You guys are like outdoing me most days of the week lately. You guys are far exceeding what I'm doing, percentage-wise. And I'm proud of that because that's people in the Signal channel, that's people in our Discord. By the way, gang, go join the Discord. Go join our Discord. We're almost at 1,000 members. 982 members in the Discord. 18 more people to be at 1,000. Student becomes the master. Yeah. Where's my Kung Fu Panda? Nice rejection. NYC open here in 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Let's see what that brings. Yeah, this might be bringing in the flip. This will be interesting. These are the kind of candles you want to be in, these slingshot candles. Username, nice username. True. I hope you guys are commenting on my posts and reels, because there are giveaways incoming on Friday. Now, there's a few things I want to talk about, but on Friday we'll give away a couple of 25K accounts. Hey, on Sunday for the Signal channel, you know how we also do a giveaway? The giveaway for the private session on Sunday will be a 50K account, okay? So if you're in the Signal channel, we're gonna make sure you show up on Sunday, because those accounts are gonna be 50K from now on. $39.4 means that in 4 positions you got 39 pips, exactly. But those 4 positions were taking at different places in the market. It's not like, oh, it went for 10 pips in 4 positions and there was 39 pips. No. That's not how it worked. Having Jay in your community is priceless. Yeah, Jay is valuable. Brings value. Yep. I mean, value is going to keep on coming. We're going to keep bringing value. Oh, there's a lot of stuff coming. Yeah. You ever gonna release the motivational speeches in audio? Maybe. Maybe. Sounds like a decent idea. But technically it's here on stream. You can just rewatch the stream or clip it for yourself or like make it an MP3, whatever you want. Right? But I might. Yeah. As I said, a lot of stuff coming. We're gonna be pretty hands-on. It's gonna get pretty hands-on over here in trading. Spotify, so I could put on my workout playlist. W. Thoughts on cyberbullying? Just starting off the screen, dog. I kind of enjoy watching people from 2 different continents beef. Once this guy got up his sleeve, oh yeah. Actually, should I talk about it now? I've been working on something for the last few months, gang, and I mean I get a lot of requests for it. So, yeah, this is something that's gonna be exclusive. Not a ma'am. No, this is gonna be more of a mentorship, more of a one-on-one, but it's going to be just exclusive for those of you who want to achieve financial freedom through trading, right? That's the goal here. That's the goal. People who really want to lock in and prioritize trading over everything else in their life. No ma'am, no ma'am. When will you start? Probably in the next few weeks. Right, so it's basically if you want to generate remote income, right, from anywhere in the world, which trading does, and if you don't really want to gamble, right, no more gamba. If you don't want to gamble, rely on luck. Instead, you can follow a proven system, a system that got me 102 wins in a row. You know, we're gonna go over everything from confidence, discipline, risk management, and it's gonna be a very, very intimate one-on-one setting. Right? If you feel like you're inconsistent, that's gonna be the place for you. It's gonna be the place to find consistency and really go into profitability. All right. Yeah, the whole point is for it to not be just another generic trading course, right? Or like generic, like a boot camp one-on-one. Really, as I was saying, it's going to be more hands-on. It's a elite one-on-one mentorship, right? It's a program designed to take a trader that's struggling getting out of the plateau that they've hit, or the level that they hit, or the break-even stage, or run up an account, blow it all. Like, it's going to be designed to take those traders to consistently pulling profits out the market. That's going to be the goal. All right, and the goal will be to get that done in a span of a few months. All right, so the idea right now is we'll link up. I'll map out your experience, your goals, your challenges, so that you have clear, personalized plan. It's going to be tailored to your strengths, your weaknesses, and it's going to ensure you eliminate the mistakes that you're making right now to maximize your potential. All right, you're also gonna get input from me on what I do exactly, right? Why I'm winning, and what I look for, and what I make sure to stay away from. There's a lot of things that I don't discuss here on the live stream, because this is like a general place, and what the majority rules, like a rule. This is a rule of thumb type of place where like we have great habits, right? We build great habits, but I don't go as in depth on exactly what I'm locking in on and where my field of vision is, right? And where the opportunity that I'm looking for is. So that's going to be part of that, right? You can pretty much, the whole point is for you to consistently execute high probability trades with confidence, right? You got to remove the guesswork, and there's going to be no random trading decisions. We're going to work towards that, right? And you're also going to have access to me, right? So I'll do real-time market analysis, and we'll do trading group sessions. That's still in the works. I'm working with a team to make all this happen, all right? So it's going to be a lot of work on my end. It's going to be a lot of extra time put into this on my end to get some people results. And I know because God knows that there are people here that need some fucking results. All right. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll have private group trading sessions, so I can see exactly how you analyze versus how I analyze the markets, right? And how you execute trades versus how I execute trades. And yeah, I think it's going to be very beneficial for you. It's going to really help you develop a deeper understanding of profitable setups. Okay. And I'll also do one-on-one coaching. All right. So, and you're going to have direct access to me, which you can't get anywhere. All right. So that way you can continuously refine your skills, right? We can build a mentorship into a relationship, right? You can continuously refine your skills, and we can then have intelligent discussions about trading for a long, long time to come. Please say you don't reach to people. No, I will never reach out to you, ever. This is something I'm going to make available, and it's really, we'll see how it goes, but I think there's quite a few people that have a need for that and reach out to me on a consistent basis to really help them improve, right? And I always say I don't do one-on-one mentorships, but this isn't just going to be a one-on-one mentorship. This is like when, you know how you guys have mentors and you just say they're mentors but they don't know your name? No, we're going to know each other. All right. So yeah, since it's super hands-on though, it's not going to be for everyone. It's extremely one-on-one intensive, and it's going to require a lot of my time to help you do it, right? So this is going to be hands-on, high impact, and it's not going to be a course. It's not going to be a structured course, right? Probably maybe 10 people, probably less. I don't think I can do 10 people. So like maybe like 7, somewhere around there. Okay. And access to signals too? Yes. And it'll also include access to signals. How many trades a day you average from last year? Well, we can kind of count it up, right? If we were like 80 and 50, now we're like 400, so maybe like 320. So let's say roughly 400 trades a year. There's roughly 200 trading days, right? Or 200, how many? 280, maybe like 2 trades a day I average. Is this for a certain time period? How long will it be? It's going to be from a few weeks to a couple of months. I'm still working on. I'm just, you guys asked me what I was working on, so I'm letting you know what I'm working on. But there's, nothing is set in stone yet. I'm thinking maybe about a 60-day thing, and then it's going to be continuous after that. I just want to see how it goes. But there's absolutely no reason you guys should be sitting there watching somebody lose 7 trades a week, trading ICT or some shit like that, or SMC. My bad, ICT. I didn't mean to mention you by name, but just trading some shit that don't work. And right? No, we won 102 trades in a row. This shit works. And I'll be fucking damned if I devalue this, or if I think that the stuff that they're putting out is more valuable than what I'm offering. There's absolutely not. You guys don't understand how much, like, I can't even explain to you how valuable what I do is to me. And how valuable that knowledge, just to me, I'm thinking like, damn, this, like, without this, where would I be? NYC open and pushed up. Yeah, that's why I said a strong bullish close on the 30. I mean, well, that's why I said we'll watch the 30 play out, because a strong bullish close on the 30 may ride this up. Yeah, there'll be announcements coming in the future of how we're gonna do it, and what kind of structure it's gonna have. But that's just what I'm working on at the moment. Already have an idea of price range. It's gonna be a lot more expensive than the signals, a lot. But it's gonna have a lot more value, and the RR is gonna be much higher than on the signals, right? You guys are all about RR. I hate RR, yes, but you guys love it. The return on investment, the ROI, will be massive. I think about it like this: you're making videos that will be saved forever. Athletes highlights to show. These streams are your highlights, and you'll have highlights that nobody else has. Yeah, I agree. 102 wins in a row is pretty fucking spectacular in my head. To me, it's crazy. Trump welcomes Benjamin. Benny, you still here? I don't know. They're eating the dogs. It's going to be intensive on your end. It's coaching everyone. It's going to take a lot of time out of my day, but I think or out of my free time, but I think we can run it up in the span of 60 days. I think knowledge-wise, I think just value-wise, can run it up. Yo, Benny hates getting in the car now. I can't get him in the car. Let's pick this motherfucker up. First of all, because he has to jump high, but then second of all, because every time he gets in the car, it's like fucking bumper cars. You guys know, right? I don't hit a speed bump going less than 60 ever. I actually, when I see a speed bump, I floor it like it's a challenge. Word. I see speed limit signs and I'm like, challenge accepted. We gonna set the new high here. We're going. So yeah. Last time this shit happened, Benny ended up in a trunk. One speed bump and he was boom, right into the trunk from the back seat. All goofy looking. 100 wins straight. 102 now. 102 now, Ike. Word, I'm about to pull up to Benny and just go like this. Spoon with peanut butter and a thermometer. I'm just gonna walk up to him like this, see what he says. Just see his reaction. Just walk up to him. The hourlies are printing side by side here. You've created a really big range here. It's gonna get interesting. Maybe this 4-hour closes bearish below 90 and top wick and we come down. We'll see. A lot of time here, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Oh, we've been light on attendance this whole week. I think every day we top out at like 415, 420. 420. Dogs is G, that boy's super cute. Yeah, he's a big mush. He looks like a fucking light bulb right now. Because he's got that cone on his head. He looks like a fucking lamp. You should add space for that 4th and 5th trade on the session trade so people know you're not done. Oh man, that's a good point. Ah, fuck it. They miss it. They miss it. Seen a big ass coffin at the Mavs stadium? No, they're just burying their hopes and dreams for a championship. That's it. That was all they're doing. I still can't believe Lakers robbed them like that. Yeah, word. They probably at gunpoint. You watch hockey? Yeah, I'm very disappointed in the hockey season. The Rangers suck. I'm a Rangers fan, so once there's no hope for my team, I give up. I give up on the sport for that season. I've given up on hockey for this year. The closest I got this year to watching hockey in the last few months was watching the Panthers visit the White House. I got the Chiefs. I think the Chiefs are going to take it. I want Philly to take it. I want Philly. I want Barkley and Hurts to get a ring. But I think Mahomes will take it. I think Barkley will ball out. Yeah, I think so too. He's having a record season. Yeah, I can't bet against Mahomes. Yeah, the Knicks are having a decent season. I've been watching basketball. Orange folder in a minute.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
But at 10 over here, the red folder, we might care. Fuck that orange folder. Only full margin on red folders. Brilliant. Amazing. That was a buy. Shit. Gotta bounce. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right. Yeah, 4 means 4 entries on that trade. We finally be getting back that volume. Yes. Oh man, is this a bottom wick on the 15? Is this a top wick on the 30? What are you doing? That's space. What's the difference between XAU USD and GCJ? Well, this is XAU USD. Looking very similar today. Very, very similar. I don't know. What's the difference between us? We could start. Actually, never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
You know what the difference is between you and me? I make this look good.
Oh, there's green. That's how I know green is here. Like once every like 45 minutes. He'll just bust out laughing.
It's because I'm green, isn't it?
Wow, look at this daily. I feel like Green's a mod at his gym. Just timing people out and shit. That's enough on the cables. Mute. He was twitching? Nah. Wait, Green, you twitching? That book gonna need a different title. Dun, 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 dun. I need your help, Green. I need your help. Stop offering it to people that don't need it. Wow, what a candle. Literally reversed the entire 150 pips, 160 pips that the previous candle did. Imagine somebody asks you, yo, where did you take the cells? You're like, yeah, right here. I had a W right here. See this candle? I took these cells right there. Like, where? That's what we did. Oh, the 4-hour flip. The 4-hour flip. How sad. Two-hour flipped. Who's ready to witness history? Another 60 pips. The 1 minute's clean. It's only until it closes in 40 seconds. You witnessed history 10 times this week? That's true. You're not lying. You are not lying. People at the Zoom door, come on in. Just came back from jury duty. Nice. Not guilty. Y'all got to feel me. Yeah, my last time at jury duty, I just told him, yo, I hate cops. He's not guilty. I don't care what the cop's gonna say. I'm not listening. I don't like police. And they was like, all right, we can't have this guy. They just let me go. These murder cases, I can tell from their face they're guilty. Yeah, but are they paying you enough to tell that? Shout out to a bus and a car and a boat. Shout out to all the shout out to a plane. Shout out to all the ways of transportation. Is Farzo here? Farzo said he was gonna hit me up in the morning. He's gonna call me. Farzo twitching. What's the chance next candle flies down? Time frame, my friend. Next 5 or the next hourly or the next 4? There's a chance the next candle flies right at 10. It could be everything. It could be the next 5, 15, 30, 1 hour. That's all the same candle in the next 5 minutes. Oh, 3 dubs already today.
Boom shakalaka! He's on fire!
He's on fire. Damn, I spent more time on stream today than I did sleeping. Give out all your info. Yeah, it's fucked. What time did you take the first trade? 8:20 something. First trade was at 8:26. There you go. "90 seconds here for news." What an amazing day. I thought 100 wins in a row would be a lot more exciting than this. I thought there would be confetti, bottles, strippers, maybe the police. But no. Oh, they're here. Police can still come? Yeah, that's not the police. That's the strippers dressed as cops. The news here. Pop up. Ooh, bad numbers. Good for gold. We should be riding up here. But you remember yesterday? What was that yesterday? Push up just to come back down in range. Right here. Yeah, that was yesterday. Oh no, right here, this was the push-up to come back down in range. 10 a.m. Same time. At this time yesterday. Yuri broke. Yo, stop fucking skipping. Yeah, we broke the high right there, and then we pulled back for 145 pips before coming back up. This rebroke the highs here, came down for 220 pips before coming back up. Hold on a second. All right, chat. Do I eat an omelet or 4 hard-boiled eggs? You know what I've been doing with boiled eggs lately? I mash them, like just mash them, and sprinkle some salt on it, and some olive oil, and some chives, and it turns into like this really, really delicious, I guess you could say, egg salad. No mayo, no nothing. Just a little bit of olive oil, mashed eggs, and just blend it. No, not blending it. It actually, when you mash eggs with like with a fork, it actually has nice texture. When you mash a hard-boiled egg with a fork. Then I do my little Salt Bay routine, and then put a little bit of. That's good. What's up? Is newsing here? It's an interesting push on the 5. You might see the next 5 create a bottom wick here and start filling the range. Just the wick. This might be the next 5. It's gonna get interesting. But I don't want this off the 5 during news here, or close to all-time highs. Because if we reject here, it'll be a heavy rejection. Yeah, I'd rather have that same move, but of a higher time frame. Nah, I just came on charts as I came on stream, bro. That's some shit you do on your own time. Shit you doing, don't tell nobody. You guys are freaks. It's a pretty cool name. Selman. Selman. Is there a buy man in the chat? I still can't believe the president of Mexico is a Jewish woman. Yeah, this is why I don't want to be in here off the 5. How does that happen? Out of all the countries, Mexico elects a Jewish woman? was Muslim? I don't know, but I do know that his full name is Barack Hussein Obama. Shit happens, G. We made a mistake. Patiently waiting. Wow, amazing. Over 80 pips on the day. Someone in the Signal channel said on Monday, time to full margin the next trade. You would have been right. You would have been right a few days ago. Oh, day before yesterday. For a track to explode on? No, for these candles to close on. I'm honestly a bit skeptical of this push-up. Two-hour no bottom wick. This might be a top wick to start filling this whole wick down. 4-hour was a lit candle. Instead of getting slow, I'm staying out. Oh, I think we're gonna be here till 10:30 today. I don't know if we're gonna make it to 11. Yeah, if there's positions at 11, we'll take it to the Signal channel. I think we'll call it here at 10:30. 81 pips for now. For now, let's see how we close at 8:30. We might have more positions, we might not, depending on closures. What I would like to see is this candle to break all-time highs and push up like maybe a 40-50 pip push past all-time highs, or I would like us to break down and start closing below 2888.888. Right below here. If we can start closing below this area, then we can look for sells, as that would be a range 2 breakout. But you guys already knew that before I said it. But guys, you guys. It's the jumble of thoughts in my head. Got over 200 pips on a day. Bro, go eat a steak and get a tan. $17 minutes here for this closure. Oh, by the way, chat, you know what's cool? You know what's cooler than being cool? But yeah, what I was gonna say, what's really cool is that my phone is actually charged. I don't have to charge it. The battery is doing just fine. So if you caught 81 pips with us today, if you caught dubs with us today, if you found value in what we did today, spam some dubs. Amanda Rich, you are exactly right. What's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. Spam some dubs, chat. Let's fucking go. W. Can't wait to get royalties for these commercials. We all gonna be in a movie, except only I'm getting paid for this shit. Nah, all of you got paid if you showed up today, so that's the least you can do. We gave out free pips. We scammed you yesterday. We scammed you today for over 80 pips. We scammed you yesterday for over 140 pips. Damn. The least you can do is drop a like and sub to the channel. Send the link out to all your trader friends. Tell me about it. What broker for GCJ for this? This is gold futures, so it would have to be a futures broker. I'm using AMP futures. I don't know, chat. We've won over 100 trades in a row. I feel like the weight's been lifted. Like we were trying to get to this 100 wins in a row thing, and now the weight's been lifted. Now it's like wherever it goes, that's where it goes. Yeah, definitely a toga 30 minutes. 100%. Not a toga day, but the last 30 is pretty toga. See you, I'll have dinner now. Bon appetit. Yeah, I agree with that, Warrior. 100%. What's toga mean? It means it's a hard day to trade. Toga candle is a hard candle to trade, right? Tough. Toga is a misspelling of tough. Just switch the G and the U and you get toga. Any tattoos in the future? I don't know. Maybe maybe one across my forehead that says, "I will not say dumb shit on stream." Just right here. I will not say dumb shit on stream. It's kind of impossible, right? If I'm reading chat. Oh, you're all about to be witnesses here. Yeah. Close your eyes if you don't want to witness this. Move the kids away from the screen. Thank you, I have fine broker. Nice. We said 3,000 by the end of the year last year. We said that in January. We didn't quite get there, but we're at 2,900. Wait, are we at all-time highs here already on XAU? No, it hasn't broken either, right? So it's been fairly similar today on both instruments. Yeah, very similar. What are all these levels down here? Why are they there? There's no there. How many languages does your children speak? 3, if you include the middle finger. They speak Russian, they speak English, and they speak sign language whenever they want to curse somebody out. My daughter yesterday, the 7-year-old, she comes up to me, she's like, is it okay to show the middle finger to dogs? Like, it's not okay to show the middle finger to anybody. She's like, but dogs can't understand. That was her question to me. Like, you better keep that finger down. She's 7. She was wondering if Benny would be upset if she shows him the middle finger. I was like, no, you only do that to Karen down the block, and that's it. Everybody got a Karen in their neighborhood, right? What did Benny do to her? No, nothing bad, but she was just wondering if, like, he'll be upset. She was just wondering if it hurts dogs as much as it hurts people. She's been giving people the finger behind your back, Wix. That was, I know. She probably been giving me the finger as soon as I turn around. I know. I remember being a kid and being punished by my parents. Walk to your room and be like, I hate you. I hate everybody. Hope you die. It's like when you're a kid, you're just like, you wish the worst on people. Punch some air. Just walk into your room all pissed off, swinging at shit. Fuck. Yeah, at my old place, last place I used to live, we had a Karen across the street, and my older daughter, like it was all older kids on the block, right? It was all like 12, 13-year-olds. My oldest one is 12, and I would see all the kids in the neighborhood be like hiding. I'm like, all right, you guys are playing hide and go seek. They're like, nope, we're playing. What were they playing? Knock and dip or something like that, where they knock on the neighbor's door and run away. I was like, that's a cool game to play. Yeah, I used to play that when I was a kid. And then all you see is just the Karen from across the street walking around the neighborhood with a broom, like she's fucking playing Quidditch or whatever it is. Ding Dong Ditch. There we go. There we go. That's what they were playing. Ding Dong Ditch. Yeah. See my daughter hiding behind. She's like, what are you doing? She's like, yeah, the neighbor's looking for us. I was like, all right, have fun. I'm sorry they called you Karen. But that's my real name. I'm sorry your name is Karen. Sorry that your name is Karen. Oh shit, yeah, there's people at the Zoom door. My bad. Oh, there's nobody else at the Zoom door. What you mean? Oh, I'm ADHD.
He dong dished you.
What was that?
He ding dong dished you.
Mm-hmm. This fucking hourly candle's about to ding dong ditch. Your kid goes outside, that's what's up. Why? Do you like keep yours in a basement? Chained up? How does... I guess slight difference in parenting techniques over here. You know what I mean? I mean, your way works too, I guess. It's all about perspective, right? Like, yeah, Florida's wild. People be walking their gators on a leash and shit. Florida's crazy. We have not pushed past previous all-time highs. We formed a range on the 15 and the 5, right? Because we know wicks are ranges, so we can see this entire candle is basically a wick. Ipso facto, that's a range on a smaller time frame, and we can see that here on the 5. And if we're forming a range at a pretty strong resistance, the market has a decision to make. It would need to see an indication of volume. Indication of volume will be a closure outside the range. And I get it, we're closing outside the hourly right now, or 30, well, almost. But we've created a range on a smaller time frame that we want to be above. And ultimately, honestly, we want closures above here with top wicks. So the buys here would have to look something like this, with bottom wicks roughly to here to put you in a really good position to manage risk if you're wrong. Okay, ideally with an entry below 2901 after a closure above 2901. All right, so I think ooh. Jay over here with some Marshall Mathers. Nice. Marshall. Shoot through your Isuzu. Damn, Isuzu. Those were great cars. Those were truly great cars. Isuzu. Is your phone charged already? We already recorded the reel. At this point, I don't care. It might as well be in airplane mode or in do not disturb. Yeah, we're maintaining this little 5-minute range. What you want to see is volume, right? And that volume should give you some direction. It's a 30 close, respecting, look, closed right at it. So yeah, there's more weighting involved here. This can make a bottom wick come up, but if it does that, great. That's the price. That's the chart only setting up for what you need. That's not the trade itself. Spot all-time highs. Let's see. Yep, broke here. But closed with no wick within this wick and no top wick here. Very minor one. Oh, how much is that? Oh, it's 9 pips. Not bad. I would need more candles to print. I would want this push above all-time highs. Clearly above. The closure is above this wick to the left. But as the way we close right now, we can just reject from here. We don't have to continue up. It hasn't set up yet. It's on its way to setting up. Same thing here. Closed that resistance, didn't close above, created a smaller time frame range. Yeah, let the market show some volume. Let's call it a session here. We hit the milestone, 100 wins in a row. We're now at 102 wins in a row. Incredible. And we're going to look to keep the streak going tomorrow. All right. If you're in the signal channel, though, stay locked in, I think, through 11 for the next half hour. After 11, I think I might call it a session altogether. But like I said before, big things coming for you guys. And it's only the beginning of the year, right? 1 month in the books, Q2 coming up very soon. You guys are already seeing the volume that Trump has brought into the markets. And I think this should, 200, 150, 200, 250 pip candles are going to be a typical occurrence on a daily basis pretty soon. All right. Also, don't forget, go comment on the reels that I post on IG so you could be entered into Friday's giveaway. You never know which day we're going to choose, so comment on all the reels throughout the week. This way you can guarantee yourself an entry into the giveaway. And make sure you show up on Sunday if you're part of the Signal channel. The giveaway will be double. Instead of giving away a 25K account, we will be giving away 50K accounts to everyone in the Signal channel. Or not to everyone, but on stream, and everyone in the Signal channel will be eligible to win it. mention that post in story. I'm not sure which post it will be yet. I'm not sure which day. We'll decide on Friday which days reel we will use, and then we'll do a giveaway on Friday and on Sunday for the Signal channel. But the one for the Signal channel will be double the size. All right, Zoom gang, I'm gonna call it here. Let's, you know what we haven't done today? We haven't really flexed on anybody, so let's do that. Yeah, let's fucking go. Hold on, we need more spots. Beautiful, incredible. Get that blood flowing. Hell yeah, now you're ready to attack the rest of the day after mugging the charts over here, right? Robbing them blind. Just did a home invasion on gold here, right? Now it's time to really tackle the rest of the day. So, for that reason, chat, I'm out. Zoom gang, see you in the clubhouse. Mods, thank you so much for helping me run the stream. Get some rest. Signal channel, stay locked in through 11. If we have positions, it'll be at 11, and after 11, I'll probably call the New York session, and I'll see you guys for Asian. So up until 11, I'll be looking at the charts. So let's take this to the Signal channel. Everybody else, I will be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. My sound is working. This morning, it wasn't working. I couldn't hop on for like the longest time, for about a half hour. I couldn't figure it out. But it's working now, so we should be on time tomorrow. Remember, last few weeks, early bird gets the worm. So we've had a lot of trades before 8 a.m., right? Before really starting our session. So make sure you're here on time. 7:30. Show up 7:30 in case we see something 7:45, 7:50, and you don't miss positions. Okay? Other than that, chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up. Is this everybody's favorite part of the day? You guys hate this part. I don't know. But anyway, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. 102 wins in a row. Let's keep the streak going tomorrow. Don't over leverage. Don't over risk for the rest of the day. Bring your mental clarity tomorrow to the live streams, and I will see you then. Enjoy your day, everybody. Later.